Welcome my curious fam, welcome to another vlog. If you are a newbie coming to my channel for the first time, this is the My Curious fam. And if you are a returning subscriber, you guys are most definitely loved and appreciated. This is a come spend a few hours with me vlog. So I'll quickly be headed to Chinatown, and then from there I'll be going to Black Chain to go buy some meat and ingredients for the salad. And then from there we'll go braai and then have lunch, and then we will see how the day goes. And guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel so that we can grow together. So yeah guys, see you on the flip side.
Deny.
we are eating. Guys, this salad is super delicious.
I know I got the strength in me, don't think that I am wrong. Keep pushing through the walls I built and keep fighting on. Have a heart to fight. There was a time in my life when everything seemed wrong. All my hopes, all my dreams, everything was gone. Then I turned my life around and I went to the top. Found the strength I got within, and this is how it feels. Everything is just okay. Everything is how it should be. Take on the hard times and push through the sad times. Finally it's time to resurrect me. Change is coming, the time is near. Don't lose yourself in all your fear. Take a breath and stand for your right. Don't move anyway, have the heart to fight. Everything will be okay, 'cause everything will be okay. Taking time to stand for your right. Don't move anyway, have the heart to fight. This chapter in my life was where it all began. Taught me life, taught me love, taught me to have fun. Now my life is full of love and I don't wanna stop. Wanna sing it from my heart, 'cause this is how I feel. Everything is just okay. Everything is how it should be. Take on the hard times and push through the sad times. Finally it's time.
My curious fam, what's up guys, what's up? Just a little home chill. We're just here chilling at home, having some beer and drinking some wine. Come in. Say hi to my YouTube channel. Say hi to the Mercurius fam. Hey, come to Naran. Thank you.
Good day, Mercurius fam. Don't mind the music that is playing in the background. It's been a while. I'm back, big sir. Guys, please, if you are old subscriber, welcome back. And if you are newbie, feel free, say whatever you wanna say. Talk with us, interact with us, in whatever you wanna do. Guys, please also don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my Curious fam. You guys are all welcome here. Love you all. Mwah. like I'm missing something. Don't let me go. Don't let me go. Guys. Guys, let's grow this channel. The channel the channel subscribe. That goes to Zaire. There is more content coming.
Mercurius fam. Guys, imagine I have to cut off this beard that has grown so much, but unfortunately this is the last time I'm cutting my beard because I'm going on a vacation. So guys, yeah, with that being said, so we are traveling. I'm going to spend money. The money needs to be spent because we have literally worked so much. Imagine from January until November we have just been working. So this December, sorry, we are literally going to spend money. Shangela, we are going to spend money, so we are traveling, so we go spend that money. The money needs to be spent. So guys, see you on the flip side. I think I'll be closing this vlog here, so don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe as always. Bye. What's up, Mercurius fam? Today's another day, another dollar, another day. Yo guys, yesterday was hectic and today is another day. So yeah, I love the way my beard is growing. It's giving everything. I so badly miss my beard. Shantala. But sooner than expected, I'm going to let it grow back to the way it was way back in those years. But for now, I'm just here at home. You know, I think I should pour a glass of wine and then interact with you guys and share a few stories and so forth. I'll be back shortly, guys. So guys, here's a glass of wine. Yo guys, having a glass of wine now before you sleep, it slaps different. The way you wake up in the morning, you will wake up as if all your problems disappeared. That's how that's how wine will make you feel. So for those people that are not drinking, I don't know, just have one glass of wine before you sleep and then come back to this video and then you comment and then you tell me how you felt when you wake up, when you woke up actually. Because why? This is the Mercurius fam. For those new subscribers, I am the host known as Mercurius, and guys, and if you are in Alti returning back to my channel, you guys are most definitely my day ones, and you guys will most definitely be loved and appreciated for returning to Mercurius fam, because thanks to you guys, I'm going to make this channel grow and grow and grow and grow. So guys, I don't know what today holds, but you know, it's too much. I don't know what today holds, but I'm currently busy doing my orders. So these are the last orders for the year. From there we will be done for the year, and then we'll only continue next year, maybe in the beginning or in Feb, not really sure. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel, Dimi. Please subscribe to me. Please subscribe to me. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, Dimi. Subscribe to me. Give me subscribe to me. Subscribe to me. Please subscribe to me. Please subscribe to me. Please subscribe to me. Now we go. Please subscribe to me. Subscribe to me. Do me this. Please subscribe to the video. Like to me. And comment to me. Please subscribe to me. Like and comment.